A. First we start at the top and draw a slanting line down to the left. Then back on the top, draw a slanting line down to the right. Draw a straight line cross in the middle. B. Draw a straight line back to the top and draw a backward curve down in the middle. From the middle, draw another curved line to the bottom and close. C. Draw a curved line coming up to the top, down in the middle and covering it up again. D. Draw a straight line down. Draw a curved line coming from the top, down in the middle and close to the left. E. Draw a straight line down. Draw a line cross at the top. Draw a line cross in the middle. Draw a line cross at the bottom. F. Draw a straight line. Draw a line cross at the top. Then draw a line cross in the middle. G. Draw a line from the top down in the middle and curve up again. Draw a straight line cross from the middle. H. Draw a straight line down. Next, do another straight line down at the opposite side. Draw a line cross in the middle. I. It is too easy. Follow me. Draw a straight line down. J. Draw a straight line down and curve back on the left and up. K. Draw a straight line down. Then back on the top, draw a straight line down to the left middle. Draw another straight line from middle to bottom. L. Draw a straight line down. At the bottom, draw a line from left to right. M. Draw a straight line down. Draw a slanting line down to the right. Draw another slanting line from top to bottom. Draw another straight line down. N. Draw a straight line down. Then top, draw a slanting line down. From up, draw a straight line down. O. Draw a curved line down from the top to the middle, then continues from the bottom to the top and close. P. Draw a straight line down. We will do a backward curve up to the middle and close. Q. Draw a curved line down from the top to the middle, then continues from the bottom to the top and close. Next, draw a small slanting line to the right. R. Draw a straight line down. We will do a backward curve up to the middle and close. From the middle, draw a slanting line down to the right. S. We are going to draw a curve from the top to the middle. Without stopping, draw another curved line to the bottom and curve up. T. At the top, draw a straight line cross. From the top, draw a straight line down. U. We start by drawing a straight line down. At this point, draw a small curve below and up. V. Draw a slanting line from top to bottom. Another, draw a slanting line from top to bottom. W. Draw a slanting line from top to bottom. Draw a slanting line from right to left. Draw a slanting line from left to right. Draw another slanting line from top to bottom. X. From the top, draw a slanting line down to the right. Draw a slanting line down to the left. Y. Draw a slanting line down to the right and stop in the middle. Draw another slanting line down to the left. From middle, draw a straight line down. Z. Draw a straight line from left to right. Draw a slanting line from top to bottom. Draw another straight line from left to right.